Are you on? Let's go! What's up, guys? And today, this video, we are doing a gaming video. My first gaming video. Let's go! Okay, I love these games. Zombie Rush, Perfect, Prison. I like Prison Life more because I like it more. I don't know how to get this off. Prison Life, bruh, it's so good. Zombie Rush, bruh, it's so good. Roblox High School, bruh, I don't really play that, but I just tried it out. It's kind of good. I like it. New City used to be one of my favorite games. It's like my fifth favorite, but I still love it. Don't Spire Brick Path. That's what we're gonna play today. But Assassin's Beast. I just started playing this. It's very fun, and my video can be 15 minutes. Anyways, yeah, this is the problem with my screen recorder. I'm gonna try and find a new one, but I need to stick with this one because it's way more easier. Oh my god! I just got in the game and my tower's almost knocked out. Why me? Oh, this is the wrong thing. Why me? What the? Come on! And that's not fair. And oh, okay, we're still alive. Blue team's almost dead. What the crap? Wait, that was my team. You stupid. You boo him in the comments. He's stupid. You deserve that. What? How he didn't die? Oh, at least everybody can have a battle here. Oh, the winners are green. GG. Oh, hell no. Hey, buddy. Hey, you don't do that to Jada. No, Flip, no, you. Why me? Why me? Oh, yes, I'm in red team again. I love red. That was my favorite color, actually. I want to do a Q&A. And I'll go make a single video of that when I get my phone back. We'll do that Saturday. And when I might get Robux. Yeah, it's a YouTuber that's giving me Robux. And it's always that sad. I forgot his name, but he's not gonna watch this. But shout out to, oh my god, I didn't even start my game. Wait, am I on account? Oh, so close. Crap this. Oh no. Oh hell no. Oh hell no. Oh hell. That's gonna do nothing, you know. Let's go. That barely did anything. I don't really care if it's on top because it was just damage stuff. Like, bruh, stop. This guy's trying to bomb us. That really does nothing, but oh god, guys, if I have no feet. Anyways, I was thinking because he's trying to do our team, I'm gonna try to do his team. Because if he does my team, I do his team. So put bombs. Wait, did I put the bomb thing? Let's go to the bottom roof. No, someone's here. No. Oh, it's my teammate. It's my teammate. No, buddy. We both failed. Because we didn't know what it took down. So that's why you have to be careful, though, in this game. Oh, who the hell? Oh! That was almost the cheekiest snipe I ever did. Oh, this guy is dead. This is like a Fortnite. I like it. Oh, that was good. make another wall. Oh, they're trying to attack my base? Yeah, my boy, do it. I'm gonna cover here. We'll cover here, so... No! What? Why are? Wait, Donald Trump walls won't work on me, buddy! Okay, I'm going for the win. I'm going for the win, come on. If you try to take off our tower... Yes. No! No! I was so close! I'm a noob. Okay, I just start playing this. This game is very fun though. I'm gonna make the other video Assassins. I'm kind of a beast at that. I'm kind of good. I'm gonna say I'm okay. I'm almost. Oh my god! I can't climb this. Don't be this video to be called a stupid guy can't even climb a ladder. That made me. Even though. Oh crap! No, no, I'm not No. I'm Superman. Yes, green team has been eliminated. Yeah, but I can't even. Oh my god! I should have checked the other ladder. I'm stupid. That's how stupid I am. Well, yeah, let's do something like that. Oh crap! Oh, we have 3 people. Let's go. This is gonna be cheese snipe. Oh, why? Oh, he died. I will count that as a. Oh, they're almost all the team is eliminated. Yes. Okay. Okay. Yellow team. It's almost dead. It's almost dead. Okay. Yes. Ooh. Okay, let's win this game. Let's get a victory royale. This is exactly like Fortnite. Not exactly, but this is like Fortnite to me. You can build, but the building has... God, are you a noob? Oh. I thought that was the other thing. Auto farms. Well, you stupid! You stupid. Okay. Maybe the bomb will be our advantage here. Oh my crap, no. Okay, it won't be our advantage because... Oh. Okay, I have to be careful. Yes! Yes! I put the bomb down! I put the bomb down! Did you see that, guys? I put the bomb down like the last second when he blew me up. Wait. They're almost dead. I love this game so much. Because I think, yeah, it blowed up. Oh my god, you legend! Oh my god. Yes! Oh, that was so close. Okay. I can't. Oh crap. What was that? What was that? Okay. Oh, yes. Final blow. I can't do the final blow. Yes. That's gonna hit. That hit. Okay, let's get that pillar. Oh, wrong pillar. At least I got it. Yes. So close. Go. That last pillar is dead. Oh, okay. They're almost done. They're almost done. They're done. Yes! We won! That was a good game. We won. Right? Woo! We won! Okay. That's a very good game. So see you guys later. Bye. I'm gonna play some more.